Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into one of the powerhouse features in Delaverse, the vector database node. If you're building workflows for marketing, logistics, or data analysis, this tool is your new best friend for pulling everything together seamlessly. What's the vector database node all about? Imagine having a smart, central spot where all your data from files, spreadsheets, and docs comes together in one organized place. It takes messy info from different sources and turns it into a clean, usable dataset that your AI agents can easily work with. This means faster automation, smarter insights, and less hassle in managing your projects, helping you focus on the big picture while Delaverse handles the data magic. Getting started, accessing the vector database node. Head over to your Delaverse playground. It's the canvas where all the fun happens. From the menu on the side, look for the node library and select Vector Database Node. Just drag and drop it onto your workspace. Give it a catchy name like My Marketing Hub to keep things organized. Then hit Save. Easy peasy. Breaking down the key features. This node is all about bringing your data sources together. Connected to things like your file database, think PDFs, docs, or JSON files, Google Sheets full of charts and numbers, or even Google Docs with collaborative notes. It automatically structures everything, standardizing formats and schemas so your data plays nice. Once connected, verify what you've got by clicking on the node. It'll show you the structure and help spot any hiccups. Finally, link its output straight to an AI assistant node for that next level processing. Keeping tabs on your data. While it doesn't have a flashy dashboard, the built-in verification lets you check data completeness and catch inconsistencies right away. This ensures your AI workflows run smoothly without surprises, giving you confidence in the quality of your insights. Pro tips for power users. Want to level up? After adding new data sources, remember to click Update to refresh everything instantly. Use clear, descriptive names for your nodes to avoid confusion in bigger workflows. And if you're dealing with tons of data, keep an eye on performance. Delaverse makes it simple to optimize for speed. Test your setup with a quick workflow run to see it all in action. Why you'll love it. With the vector database node, you're empowered to create efficient, AI-driven workflows that save time and unlock new possibilities. Whether you're analyzing trends or automating tasks, this feature brings clarity and transparency to your data world. Jump in, experiment, and watch your Delaverse projects soar. What workflows are you building? Share in the comments.